If you read any newspaper today, you'll see a lot of rhetoric about fuel poverty, which has always made me curious, because fuel isn't something that people actually want. They want the things that fuel can make happen for them. I'm James, and I want to share with you CoHeat's story about how we are tackling heat poverty. This is the lifetime cost of heating a typical home using a gas boiler, the most common form of heating in the UK. Less than half of that cost is the fuel. The rest is the cost of hanging the boiler on the wall, fixing it when it breaks, replacing it when it really breaks. Costs borne by the owner of the property, the person who makes the decision about what to replace it with, who may have little or no incentive to reduce the fuel bills. This is for a gas boiler. Other systems may have a slightly different split, but typically the cost is more. Now, thinking about all this expensive equipment is even worse, because most of the time it's sat either idle or operating well below its maximum power. We think it makes a lot of sense to share this equipment. We aim to make sharing the equipment easier to reduce the total cost of heating for both the owner of the property and the resident. CoHeat provide everything needed for anyone to install and operate a communal heating system with a low cost and a low risk. This includes the boiler room, the distribution pipe, the connections to a home, and the radiators in each room. But we also include the essentials for operating it efficiently: a smart metering and billing system to automatically bill each individual home on their individual consumption. We integrate that with a smart thermostat and the modern mobile apps that consumers now expect. We also collect a lot of operating data for asset management, for condition-based and predictive maintenance, and in the sheltered housing market, we can also identify potential welfare issues. Further, we use this data infrastructure to optimize how the heat network works. By coordinating how heat is delivered across multiple homes, we can schedule heat delivery to meet consumers' needs whilst avoiding peaks in load. This means we can use less equipment to supply more homes, structurally reducing the cost of warm homes and hot showers. Over the past 12 months, we've been delivering our demonstration, a network of 24 homes in Birmingham. To deliver this, we've assembled a team who between them have 20 years of experience in procuring and operating heat networks. We include Cambridge and Imperial educated engineers with experience in control systems, software engineering, mechanical engineering, and the energy sector. We've been supported immensely by our first customer, Trident Social Housing, who commissioned the project and whose input has helped us understand the sector's needs. Providing finance, access and knowledge, we've been supported by 3 leading groups in this area. Firstly, the European Union's main climate innovation initiative, Climate Kick, who have supported us for close to 2 years now. National Grid's Affordable Warmth Solutions have directly supported the project in Birmingham. And the Department for Energy and Climate Change have supported our technical development work. This year, we are focusing on commercializing the service into a scalable business. We're currently developing production-grade versions for installation in the UK social housing market, where they have a great need to reduce not only their costs, but also their customers. We have plans and connections to be able to expand into the UK new build and the European markets later on. Indeed, even in countries where the existing heat networks, our technology can be used to improve them. To deliver our plans, we are looking for £2 million of total financing from active investments and partners. This money is needed to develop, sell and deliver our service. We're also looking for expertise to accelerate our growth. Specifically, we're looking for infrastructure experience in commercial areas, legal, finance, sales. And we're also looking for delivery experience, manufacturing and installation. Thank you very much. I look forward to any questions you may have.